Which of the following is not mentioned as an example of a round object? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी वस्तु गोल वस्तु के उदाहरण के रूप में उल्लेखित नहीं है? ऑप्शन इज ए रबर बॉल, बी फुटबॉल, सी ग्लास मार्बल, डी वुडन चेयर। Answer is option D, wooden chair.
How are objects grouped in the examples provided? दिए गए उदाहरणों में वस्तुओं को कैसे समूहीकृत किया गया है? Option is A. By size, B. By shape or material, C. By weight, D. By color. Answer is option B. By shape or material.
What determines the choice of material for making an object? किसी वस्तु को बनाने के लिए सामग्री का चयन कैसे निर्धारित होता है? Option is A. Its color, B. Its availability, C. Its properties and intended use, D. Its price. Answer is option C. Its properties and intended use.
Which property helps us distinguish between metals and non-metals? कौन सा गुण हमें धातुओं और अधातुओं के बीच अंतर करने में मदद करता है? Option is A. Hardness, B. Color, C. Transparency, D. Luster. Answer is option D. Luster.
Which material is not mentioned as an example of a metal? किस पदार्थ का उल्लेख धातु के उदाहरण के रूप में नहीं किया गया है? ऑप्शन इज ए आयरन, बी कॉपर, सी ग्लास, डी गोल्ड। आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी ग्लास।
Which property refers to a material's resistance to compression? कौन सा गुण किसी पदार्थ के संपीड़न के प्रति प्रतिरोध को दर्शाता है? Option is A. Luster, B. Transparency, C. Hardness, D. Solubility. Answer is option C. Hardness.
What do we call substances that dissolve completely in water? उन पदार्थों को क्या कहते हैं जो पानी में पूरी तरह से घुल जाते हैं? Option is A. Soluble, घुलनशील, B. Insoluble, अघुलनशील, C. Translucent, पारभासी, D. Opaque, अपारदर्शी। Answer is option A. Soluble, घुलनशील।
Which of the following is not mentioned as an example of a material that is soluble in water? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा पदार्थ पानी में घुलनशील पदार्थ के उदाहरण के रूप में उल्लेखित नहीं है? Option is A. Salt, B. Sugar, C. Sand, D. Baking soda. Answer is option C. Sand.
When objects do not mix with water and form a separate layer, what are they called? जब वस्तुएं पानी के साथ नहीं मिलती हैं और एक अलग परत बनाती हैं, तो उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? Option is A. Soluble, घुलनशील, B. Insoluble, अघुलनशील, C. Translucent, पारभासी, D. Opaque, अपारदर्शी। Answer is option B. Insoluble, अघुलनशील।
What property of materials allows us to see through them? पदार्थों का कौन सा गुण हमें उनके आर पार देखने की अनुमति देता है? Option is A. Luster, B. Hardness, C. Transparency, D. Solubility. Answer is option C. Transparency.
Which material is mentioned as an example of an opaque substance? किस पदार्थ को अपारदर्शी पदार्थ के उदाहरण के रूप में उल्लेखित किया गया है? Option is A. Glass, B. Air, C. Wood, D. Water. Answer is option C, wood.
What is the term for materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly? उन पदार्थों को क्या कहते हैं जिनके आर पार वस्तुओं को देखा तो जा सकता है लेकिन स्पष्ट रूप से नहीं? ऑप्शन इज ए ट्रांसपेरेंट, बी ओपेक, सी ट्रांसलूसेंट, डी सॉल्यूबल। Answer is option C, translucent.
Why do we group materials in everyday life? हम रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में सामग्रियों को समूह में क्यों रखते हैं? Option is A, to confuse others, B, for decorative purposes, C, for convenience and organization, D, to showcase wealth. Answer is option C, for convenience and organization.
Which property helps us distinguish between transparent and opaque materials? कौन सा गुण हमें पारदर्शी और अपारदर्शी पदार्थों के बीच अंतर करने में मदद करता है? ऑप्शन इज ए लस्टर, बी हार्डनेस, सी ट्रांसपेरेंसी, डी सॉल्युबिलिटी। Answer is option C, transparency.
If a material is hard to compress, it is called. यदि किसी पदार्थ को संपीड़ित करना कठिन है तो उसे कहा जाता है। ऑप्शन इज ए सॉफ्ट, बी हार्ड, सी ट्रांसलूसेंट, डी सॉल्यूबल। Answer is option B, hard.
Which property helps us determine whether a material will dissolve in water? कौन सा गुण हमें यह निर्धारित करने में मदद करता है कि कोई पदार्थ पानी में घुलेगा या नहीं? ऑप्शन इज ए लस्टर, बी हार्डनेस, सी ट्रांसपेरेंसी, डी सॉल्युबिलिटी। Answer is option D, solubility.
Which material would not be suitable for making a tumbler? गिलास बनाने के लिए कौन सी सामग्री उपयुक्त नहीं होगी? ऑप्शन इज ए ग्लास कांच, बी प्लास्टिक, सी मेटल धातु, डी क्लॉथ कपड़ा। आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी क्लॉथ।
What property of materials determines whether they can be scratched easily? पदार्थों का कौन सा गुण यह निर्धारित करता है कि उन्हें आसानी से खरोंचा जा सकता है या नहीं? ऑप्शन इज ए लस्टर, बी हार्डनेस, सी ट्रांसपेरेंसी, डी सॉल्युबिलिटी। आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी हार्डनेस।
Which of the following is an example of an insoluble substance? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा अघुलनशील पदार्थ का उदाहरण है? ऑप्शन इज ए शुगर, बी सॉल्ट, सी सैंड, डी विनेगर। Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
What property of materials allows them to be seen through clearly? पदार्थों का कौन सा गुण उन्हें स्पष्ट रूप से देखने योग्य बनाता है? ऑप्शन इज ए लस्टर, बी हार्डनेस, सी ट्रांसपेरेंसी, डी सॉल्युबिलिटी। आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी ट्रांसपेरेंसी।
Which material would not be considered transparent? कौन सी सामग्री पारदर्शी नहीं मानी जाएगी? ऑप्शन इज ए ग्लास, बी एयर, सी प्लास्टिक रैप, डी मेटल। आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी मेटल।
हाउ डू गैसेस इंटरैक्ट विथ वाटर? गैसें पानी के साथ कैसे क्रिया करती हैं? ऑप्शन इज ए दे सिंक, बी दे डिसॉल्व, C. They become opaque. D. They evaporate. Answer is option B. They dissolve.
Fill in the blanks. Objects around us have a vast variety of blank. Option is A. Colors. B. Shapes. C. Sizes. D. Textures. Answer is option B. Shapes.
Materials are grouped based on their blank or the materials they are made from. Option is A. Weight. B. Color. C. Shape. D. Properties. Answer is option D. Properties.
We choose a material to make an object depending on its properties and the blank for which the object is to be used. Option is A. Color. B. Size. C. Purpose. D. Price. Answer is option C. Purpose.
Metals like iron, copper, aluminum, and gold have blank. Option is A. Color. B. Luster. C. Transparency. D. Hardness. Answer is option B. Luster.
Materials that can be compressed or scratched easily are called blank. Option is A. Soft. B. Hard. C. Transparent. D. Opaque. Answer is option A. Soft.
When substances disappear or dissolve completely in water, they are called blank. Option is A. Soluble. B. Insoluble. C. Transparent. D. Opaque. Answer is option A. Soluble.
Shopkeepers prefer to keep biscuits and sweets in blank containers so that buyers can easily see them. Option is A. Opaque. B. Translucent. C. Transparent. D. Soft. Answer is option C. Transparent.
Objects may float or sink in water based on their blank. Option is A. Color. B. Hardness. C. Shape. D. Density. Answer is option D. Density.
Grouping materials makes it convenient to study their properties and observe any blank. Option is A. Differences. B. Similarities. C. Patterns. D. Shapes. Answer is option C. Patterns.
Dividing materials into groups helps us blank them more effectively. Option is A. Use. B. Store. C. Understand. D. Hide. Answer is option C. Understand.
Materials that are hard to compress are called blank. Option is A. Soft. B. Hard. C. Transparent. D. Answer is option B. Hard.
Materials that do not mix with water and form a separate layer are called blank. Option is A. Soluble. B. Insoluble. C. Transparent. D. Opaque. Answer is option B. Insoluble.
Blank materials have different luster, hardness, roughness, or smoothness. Option is A. Soluble. B. Insoluble. C. Transparent. D. Opaque. Answer is option A. Soluble.
Blank materials are usually metals like iron, copper, aluminum, and gold. Option is A. Soft. B. Hard. C. Soluble. D. Opaque. Answer is option B, hard.
When substances dissolve completely in water, they are considered blank. Option is A. Opaque, B. Soluble, C. Translucent, D. Insoluble. Answer is option B. Soluble.
Blank. Materials allow us to see through them clearly. Option is A. Opaque, B. Translucent, C. Transparent, D. Transparent. Answer is option C. Transparent.
Blank. Materials can be seen through, but not clearly. Option is A. Opaque, B. Translucent, C. Soft, D. Transparent. Answer is option B. Translucent.
Grouping materials based on their properties makes it easier to blank them. Option is A. Use, B. Store, C. Understand, D. Hide. Answer is option C. Understand.
Materials may float or sink in water based on their blank. Option is A. Color, B. Shape, C. Hardness, D. Density. Answer is option D. Density.
Materials that dissolve completely in water are considered blank. Option is A. Soluble, B. Insoluble, C. Transparent, D. Opaque. Answer is option A. Soluble.
Grouping materials based on their properties helps in understanding their characteristics and observing blank. Option is A. Differences, B. Similarities, C. Patterns, D. Shapes. Answer is option C. Patterns.
Blank. Materials are those through which objects can be seen, but not clearly. Option is A. Opaque, B. Translucent, C. Soft, D. Transparent. Answer is option B. Translucent.